Hello, everyone. Greetings to you all. Today, I would like us to look at how to calculate the mean, median, and mode in statistics. And we are going to do that in two sets of data. We have ungrouped data and we have grouped data. This mean, median, and mode is also called the central tendency. Okay? But as we start, I would like you, for those who have not yet done that, to subscribe, for it doesn't bite. Okay, whenever we talk about mean is simply the average. The mean number of scores is simply the sum of those scores divided by the number of scores. Then we equally have the mean when the frequency is given. Now, before even talking about mean, median, mode, we have statistics in itself. It's a whole branch of mathematics that deals with the collection, representation, and analysis of data. And once data is collected through interviews, through questionnaires, through guides, and so through experiments, it can be represented in a form of a pie chart, in a bar chart, in a pictogram, in a histogram. What of you? But today we are looking at the level of the measure of central tendencies. And if information is represented like this is on group data, we have here score and frequency, F for frequency. Now, here, if you're asked to calculate the mean, the median, as well as the mode. Yeah. Now, how do you calculate the mean? Okay, to calculate the mean, when frequency is given, you know that mean is equal to summation xf divided by summation f. This x here is the scores or the marks. Okay, so we'll create a column here. This notation stands for sum. We'll create a column here, summation xf. Right, so 2 times 4 here, 8. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 0, 0. 7 times 1, 7. When we sum this, 8 plus 6, 14. Plus 0 is still 14. Plus 7 gives us 21. That's our summation xf. So we have 21. Then summation f is the sum of the frequency. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 0 is still 6. Plus 1 is 7. So we have 21 divided by 7, which is 3. So the mean of these scores is 3. That's the average. Now we are asked to calculate the median. Now whenever we are calculating the median, we should take note. The median, the sum of frequency is 7, which is odd. So whenever we are calculating the median, when the n, which is the sum of frequency, is odd, we take the sum of we take n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of frequency here is 7. It's yes, 7. So 7 plus 1 divided by 2 give us 4. So the median score is 4. Take note, I like to emphasize here about this, because when you talk about the median here being 4, it means that's the median position, not the median itself. So the median position is 4. Look here, we have the frequency here. We have 4 here as frequency. This 4 means that the score appears 4 times. So the median position here being 4, because we have here 7 plus 1, which we say divide by 2, which is 4. The median position being 4 means that the fourth score, not the median. So you see 2 here, frequency 4 means you have 2 one time, 2 the second time, 2 the third time, 2 the fourth time. So you see that and the number of score is odd. So the median position being 4 gives us that the median here is 2. Okay, the median score is 2, is the fourth score, because it is, if you have seven scores, it is actually the fourth scores that divides it into two halves. That's the lower one, that 3 scores. After that there are other 3 scores. So the median here is 2. The median score is 2, which gives the median score to be 2. Now, talking about the mode, just like in normal communication, when you say you are the mode, it means you are a star, you are so frequent, you are well known. Likewise, if we talk about the mode here, we go to the column for frequency. It is the score with the highest frequency that occurs more frequent. So the mode is, our mode is 2. Okay, the mode is 2. So that's how we'll calculate the central tendencies for ungrouped data. Now let's look at group data. Before we even go to the median for, that's the central tendency for group data, I would still like us to look at this set of data. That we are still asked here to calculate the mean, median, and mode. Okay. Okay, the mean still, this is still an ungrouped data. So our mean, the marks here, call it x. So 5 times 1, xf means you multiply 5 times 1 here, 5. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 1, 4. Now summation xf is this sum. 5 plus 12, 17 plus 4, 21. Okay, then the frequency, we have 1 plus 4 plus, that's 1 plus 4, yes, 5, plus 1 again, gives us the sum of frequency. And the sum of frequency here is 6. So if you are to calculate the mean will simply be sum of xf 21 divided by 6. Okay, we have here 21 divided by 6, it gives us 3.5. So the mean of this set of data is 3.5. Now, then the median. So for us to look at it, to calculate the median, we have to sum the sum of frequency here is 6. The sum of frequency there is 6. And this 6, now from here we check, is this 6 an odd number? Because that's the first thing. Or even number. Okay, it is an even number. So the median position, this sum of frequency is also what we call n. The median position will simply be n over 2 position plus the next position divided by 2. So n over 2, that's sum of frequency divided by 2, it gives us 3. So, and what's the next position? 4. So the median will simply be the third score plus the fourth score divided by 2. And what is the third score here? Let's look at it. This score of 5 here, frequency 1 means appears once, and here 3 is 4. It means when the frequency is 1, we have 1, yes. 5 appears 1 time, so that's the first score. 3 appears 4 times, means you have 3, 3, 3, 3, 4 times. Okay, so you see that the third score will be 3, right? The third score will be 3, and the next score will still be 3. Okay, so the median will simply be 3 plus 3 divided by 2, which is 3. Then the mode is still the same, the one with the highest frequency. The highest frequency here is 4, so the mode is 3. So the mode here gives us 3. Okay, the mode here is 3. Alright, so we're also going to look at another type of data, which is ungrouped data. Sorry, which is a grouped data. Sorry, please. Now, group data is grouped into classes. You have here a score. They say 2. They say 2, 4. 2, 4. This is a class. It means all scores of from 2 marks to 4 fall in this class. 5 to 7 they fall in this class. 8 to 10 they fall in this class. That is why we talk about grouped data. And F here is the frequency. Now, how then do you calculate the mean, the median, and the mode? And the mode here is the modal class because we are in classes. Now, when we have a grouped data like this, for us to calculate, we need to know the what we call. Okay, when we are asked to calculate the mean, we have to obtain what here we call the class center. For each class, the class center, we take the upper limit, the lower limit plus the upper. So I'm going to take 2 plus 4 divided by 2. That's 6 divided by 2, 3. I'll take 5 plus 7 divided by 2. That is lower, upper. 5 plus 7, 12 divided by 2, 6. 8 plus 10 divided by 2, 9. So when you multiply, you have CF. When you multiply by the frequency, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4, 24. 9 times 1, 9. This is our CF. So summation XF in this case in the mean. So the mean which can resolve by X bar will simply be summation X summation CF. Summation CF divided by summation F. And this summation CF 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 here 30. This 6 plus 4 30 plus 24 I mean 30 plus 9 39. Then you add by the sum of frequency 2 plus 4 plus 1, that's 7. Okay, when we evaluate that, it gives us 5.57. Now, talking about the median here, as talking about basic data, the median here, okay, we'll look at that also in a subsequent video. But the mode here that we are talking about is the modal class, okay? The modal class here, not just the modal class. That's the class with the highest frequency. So the modal class will simply be the class 5 to 7. Alright? Okay, thank you for watching. Stay blessed. See you in the next video.